will go back. Okay, the sun have come and the night have gone. Okay, the leopard is standing in tree. The monkey is here, and the monkey here is jumping everywhere. Sometimes they are jumping here, then again here. This is jumping here, and sometimes this monkey jump here. Then this gorilla jump here, then here, then here, then here, then here, then here, and the leopard jump here. Then this monkey was too much naughty. Then the monkey come here in this cave. Then the monkey want to come here. Okay. Then the monkey come here in the front of camera. Okay. Now I am going to the lioness. This lioness is running, and it is coming here. And this is the lioness, another one. Okay. Then this is the leopard. Leopard is looking standing in the rock. Okay, now I am going to zebra. Okay, the zebra is looking everywhere of jungle, and zebra is thinking. I have to go in another place. Then the zebra go in another place. Then the zebra was eating some food. Okay, now I am going to elephants. Elephants is splashing some old animals. Elephants is splashing to all animals. Sometimes to leopard, giraffe. Okay, now I am going to giraffe. Giraffe is eating some leaves, and he want to eat this leaf. Then he want to eat this. Then he eat another leaf. Then he stand here only. If giraffe have go there. Okay, now I am going to rhino. Rhino is eating some grass. And he is eating some grass. Then the rhino said, I am tired. I am stopping here. Okay, now I am going to panda. Panda is eating the bamboos. He's too much hungry. And then no, this is the surprise. Okay, now the surprise will come. Okay, the Spinosaurus have come, and it's going to open the cage, and the cage is going to open. Then the one Spinosaurus come. No more animals is coming. No, the more dinosaurs is coming. Next dinosaur is coming. Okay, this dinosaur name is D-Rex, and this D-Rex is coming. But there is also more D-Rexes will come, and 2 animals will remaining, and 3. Okay. Okay, this animal have come. Now the cage will open, and he come out. And then the dinosaur gave a big roar. Now I am putting a dinosaur here. The dinosaur have come here. I can also put it here, but I can put it here. The D-Rex is coming, and the D-Rex come. No, it will come here. Nose open. The D-Rex have opened. So the daddy dinosaur is going. No, the baby one. is not smelling because he's too much small and he's too much big. Okay. Okay, now the dinosaurs will visit. Okay, the elephant will take some ride. And the monkey will see, then everybody scared, and the monkey see, and he's scared, then he jumped and came in this cave. Okay, and the zebra came surprised, and the leopard was scared. Then he want to stay here. Then he come far away. Okay, then the D-Rex said, I want to visit and I will go back in the iron cage. Okay, then the leopard don't feel scared. Then he come in rock. And the D-Rex and Spinosaurus said, who will live to ride to my baby? Then these two elephants said. Then this elephant, then this one go on this, and this one go in this one. Done. Okay. I can do it here. It's not standing it here. It will fall only one by one. Okay. This elephant is taking some this dinosaur, baby dinosaur is taking some ride. Then the T-Rex said enough. Okay. Then he come down. Then it was another one. I will put it. Okay, now he's taking ride, and he's taking a long ride. Then enough. The turn was gone. Okay. No. These two dinosaurs will go together, and these also. Okay. The Spinosaurus is going here first, and this. He can be in it lap. Okay, no, another dinosaur is coming. I can live in a space. Okay, another dinosaur is coming, and his baby. Okay, no, all dinosaur is going. The dinosaur said bye bye. Subscribe my channel, like my video. Bye bye.